Happy Easter, people. Renegade Man here. Today we are finally laying down the Cork Roadbed for this layout. I have most of the track plan mapped out. The only sections I have left to install are the grades. I am waiting on some more Woodland Scenics ST1410 kits. These are the 2% 8-pack incline set. They make it extremely easy to build a grade. In the future I plan on going over how to extend these kits. Considering this layout is 3 main wide. I had to develop a plan that saved on buying 2 extra kits. This layout used 2 kits at a 1.5% grade. Split down the middle. Of course this is for another video, so let's continue. This roadbed, since cork supply is low, I used the straight cork sheets for end scale. You can see this product on our website. www.renegademodelrailroading.com. Under the End Track section. I cut it with a nice sharp X-Acto knife and went to town. Using liquid nail heavy-duty glue. Put it down on whichever surface and use a putty knife to spread it evenly where you will be laying the roadbed down. After this, you can use an array of different items to pin it and hold it in place. I happen to use thumbtacks and sewing pins you can get from Michael's or Hobby Lobby. Let it sit for a day, and when you come back it will be hard as a rock. When it dries and you get all the pins and tacks out, you can go over the top of the roadbed too with some fine sandpaper to smooth out the surface. Make sure to vacuum and wipe down with a tack cloth. This will prep it for track. Hope you enjoyed the glorious 8 minutes. Cheers, people. Let me know if you have any questions.